how diverse European sound
There is
culture
also a strong intention of building up a
We are
regional network of
investigating
little
aspects of
independent radio
accessibility.
stations.
BR is an international platform connecting artistic, scientific, and journalistic methods of research and creation. We are exploring what sounds represent to people and to the world around them. 9 partner organizations from 7 European countries, with Radio Slovenia as the lead partner, joined forces in this project.
We want to question what everything radio can be and what it can become, both in terms of technology and society. Artists and prominent international experts from many fields work together to create new radiophonic and musical content for the youngest and for marginalized groups. They also develop in-depth educational journalistic production to explain what role sound plays in a man's circle of life.
We are researching the use of music in medicine, sound memories and sound art, exploring urban environments, questioning social, ecological, aesthetic, numerical, political and ethical issues, enabling a unique cooperation of sound art and radio programming with scientific research. The BR project provides grounds for international meetings, workshops and seminars.
We're happy to cooperate with recognized and awarded authors of different generations, inspired by scientific research, creating orchestral pieces and sound artworks, sound installations, sound walks, radiophonic theater plays and radio plays for babies and toddlers.
The works are shared through the EBU system and community radio networks and presented at international level at festivals, gaining local as well as international significance.
The BR challenge is also to reinvent the radio as an artistic medium and cultural agent in society. Collaborators who are part of the project are investigating and promoting the significance of sound for human growth, well-being and socialization, instigating innovative artistic production and communication through the medium of sound, fostering slow art, in-depth communication and creative journalism.
A hospital radio is created for toddlers, children and youth who are bound to hospital environment due to different health reasons. Carefully created artistic content is selected on the premise that it might ease the discomfort of staying in the hospital, as well as fears and tension patients feel.
We are preparing an online art radio channel supported by innovative technology. It is an international radio platform for artistic online collaboration using machine learning technology. It will listen to the world of sound events, store them in its radio subconscious, and keep creating ever new sound contexts from fragments of its own memory.
In today's global media landscape, radio may not be perceived as the most popular, but we are convinced that it is the medium humanity will abandon last. And that goes for sound art as well.
It is amazing to work internationally. So many great people coming together, composers from Italy, Greece, Germany, Serbia, academical staff and researchers uniting their expertise. It is like a scientific research becoming a lab for artistic creation, and artistic creation stimulating research.
Thank you.